Today I'm here to do question set 8 of DBMS. I will read the passage for you. To facilitate the business of Max Mobile, the owner of the mobile phone company uses a computer software which uses the following table to store the data in the computer software. Answer the questions asked in the table. Asked in this table. So this is the customer table and this is the product table. The first question is create database name mshop to save data in mobile phone shop. So I'm using MySQL Workbench for this. Adding a new model. And we had to give the name in here. So I'm going to copy it. And paste in here. And I did the diagram now. Okay, let's move to the next question. Create a table as customer and product in the database. Follow the instruction given below. Okay, we have to create two tables now. You have to give the table name as custom in here. And let's make the customers table first. First customer ID, and it should be primary key. It should be a varchar and then the first name. Then the last name. Gender and the contact number. So we have made our first table. I'm gonna name the second table as product. Then the first column should be also primary key as product ID. It should be varchar. Brand name, right? And the model name and price. We're using double in here as the data type since there could be like 50 cents like that. Since it is a price. So we have made our second table too. Add data graphically to the table you have created. So I'm using MySQL, not MySQL Workbench for it. I'm going to use heidiSQL. So first we have to forward engineer to create our database. Okay, I'm gonna use Heidi. I'm gonna close this query. Let's see whether it is made. Let's check what is the name of it. MShop. Okay, where it is. Okay, here it is. And these are two tables. We have first we will add the data in Graphically, since it is said in the third question, and these are the data. I will add 3 rows in Graphically, and other 2 rows I will show how to insert in query method. Okay, for the other 2 I will show in query method. The database name, dot the table name, then the rows. The rows are customer ID, then first name, then the last name. There should be underscore, then gender, then the contact number, that's it, and then the values. We have to get the values. Okay, so it is easier to copy the whole line and pasting in there. Okay, let's execute the query. We have to put this. Okay, now we can execute the query. Let's check whether it is inserted. Yeah, it is. So in the same way we can. No, I'm not gonna use graphical method for the other last row. I'm using the query method. Okay, we have inserted the customer details. Now we have to insert the product details. I'm using the query method in here too, because it is a little bit easier than before using the graphical method in here, since we had to copy each one and paste in there. So it should be product in here. brand name with the model name, and the price, and we don't need the other contact number one. We just now we can cut the other whole part in here. Let's copy the first one. It means 0 cents, so okay, let's check whether it is working. Okay, it is perfectly fine. So I'm gonna enter the data like this. I will do the last 3 lines graphically. Last 3 rows. Yeah, so we finally add our data into the product table. Let's move on to the next question. So the fourth question is find all customers. Okay, let's find all customers. So what I'm going to do is, it doesn't say find all customer details, so we have to use a search query in here. Not search, select we have to select the customers, right? No, I guess this says file all customer details because there's no column as customers. There's first name and last name, so I'm gonna find all from m shop dot the table name, which is customer, and then what should I put? Yeah, I guess this is, yeah, here. These are the all customer details. And this is the first query. Moving to the next query, find details of all products. So as same as we can just remove customer and you put product. So these are the product details. And let's move to the sixth question. Find the details of the customer whose customer ID is customer CUS003. So we have to give, it is in the customer table, where customer ID is equals to CUS003. Okay, let's check. Oh, wait. No, it didn't work. Let's check whether we have released the problem. Customer CUS ID. Because CUS003. Let's check whether why didn't it work. CUS003 is in here. This row should be shown in here. So mshop customer, yeah, customer is there, where customer ID equals, is it customer ID? Yeah, customer ID, no spaces. Why it didn't work? Select all customers from mshop customer. Where cus ID equals, let's copy the, oh, okay, I get it, okay. There's no space between, there's no underscore. Okay, this might work now. Yeah, it does work. Okay, so that's it in the question set 8. So I hope you guys enjoy this video. If you have any questions, put down in the comments. So thank you.